Hey traders, welcome back to another important video. Today I am going to talk about how to trade forex with quote report, commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge funds are currently doing in the market. So first we discuss about what is the quote report, and then we discuss about how to understand quote report, and finally we will be consider about how to use the quote report for our forex analysis. Please stay with until the end because the lesson extremely important when we come to the trading any market like that forex, energy, metals, indices, etc. This is extremely important because of going to help you how to understand what the market might be going in future. Right, let's continue. What is the quote report? Quote report stand commitment of traders. So the quote report is a weekly publication that shows the aggregate holding of different market participants in the US future market. Right. The reason the quote report is important is because it is the best way to visually understand where the big players are positioned in the market and how big money has flowed. Right now the quote report is going to show you visually how to big money flow in the market and where big money players are positioned, and that is going to give you an idea of future market sentiment. The quote report tell you the next position either short or long from a big players. This report published in weekly basis by the Commodity Futures Trading Commissions. In short term, we can recognize CFTC. CFTC analyze code data every Tuesday and publish or released on every Friday because we can get code report every Friday. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to read quote report and how we can use it for our future prediction of our forex analysis. If you are new here to channel, don't forget subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Next, I'm going to talk about how to understand the quote report. Before that, I show you how to get quote report. We can search on Google quote report like that. Then we go to the in this report, as well as I put the link on description below. After that we choose Chicago Mercantile Exchange and short format. Then we can see code data, butter, milk like that. We are forex traders because we should going down into the our currencies CAD, CHF, etc. In quote report, we can divide market players into the two main groups, commercials and non-commercials, but commercial data are not valid for us. Important part of non-commercials. In this report have long, short and changes of long and changes of short. We can get this data and summarize information easily like that. Long, short, changes of long, changes of short and net position. After that we can use it to analyze chart with technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Next we can see how to analyze code data which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market with technical analysis. It will help to you how to understand how to behave big banks and big institution on this market. Okay, if you have watched my analysis, I publish analysis using multi-time frame technical analysis with code data analysis. If you new here, please go and check it out on my YouTube channel. You will have noticed that I use it lot. Why I using a lot? Because if you have information on what hedge fund are doing in the market, we can easily understand how to behave market. If you can read correctly code data, that will help to you understand how to behave market in future. Actually we followed by big banks institution. If you can trade with them, you definitely have an advantage over your competition in market. Before that, I am going to explain how to behave hedge fund with GBP USD market. Currently GBP USD have a strong bullish trend. Then if we going to see core data, we can see core data net position increase. Increased net position from 17.6k to 21.k. As well as long are getting added from 27k to 60k. Short are getting closed from 47k. If market increase long and getting close short, we can see net position increase. Because we can identify if market increase net position, market can easily move to the upside. Trading is a reactive, not be a predictive. But if we can read court report correctly and understand price action of this market, we have high probability chance to success in Forex life. If market moving to the upside, if hedge fund are closing long and opening short, in this case, market shift to the downside very fastly because we can get this sell entry quickly. Same as it happening on downside, market moving to the downside and hedge fund close short and adding longs. In this case, market should move to the upside instantly. Sometime we can see this shape of pattern. Market move to the upside and long getting close, but short are not added. In this time, market ranging like that. After that, adding more short and market move to the downside. Same as it happened on the downside. If market moving to the downside and closing short in this area, but not adding longs, so market ranging and after that adding more longs. Because of that reason, market should move to the upside. Sometime market behave trendly. Moving upside create higher high and create corrective pattern, and after corrective pattern move to the upside for the creating higher high and create another corrective pattern. Create lower low and lower low, and after that market move to the upside creating higher high. It is very common pattern. Impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. If we have impulse to the upside in this area, market not close long and adding short, so we can expect corrective pattern. After that corrective pattern, adding more longs, market definitely move to the upside, creating impulse correction and impulse pattern. As well as if we have impulse to the downside, in this area market adding longs and not close short, because we can expect corrective pattern before another impulse to the downside. So after that correction, adding more short, it will help to move to the downside, creation another impulse to the downside. In the trending market, if added short and not close long, that market move to the upside continuously. But if market adding more short and getting close long, that market move to the downside. Same as the downside. In the trend line market, if added long and not close short, that market move to the downside continuously. But if market adding more longs and getting close short, that market move to the upside instantly. So, okay, I think you can clearly identify how to read core data and how to apply for our trading journey. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame are the best time frame for measure direction of this market with combined core data. But if you want to enter to the trade, the best time frame is 4-hour time frame. So waiting for the clear buy or sell setup before enter your trade. Thank you watch till the end. We publish videos on YouTube channel daily swing trading analysis. Don't forget subscribe our channel. Good luck. Thank you.